Sprucing things up, a guide to refreshing your space and style. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase, sprucing things up. This expression is widely used in English to talk about making a place or thing look better, neater, or more stylish. If you're curious about how to use this phrase in your everyday English conversations, you're in the right place. Let's explore together. The phrase, sprucing things up, comes from the verb, to spruce, which means to make something tidy, clean, or more attractive. It often involves minor changes or additions that have a big impact on the appearance of something. When we say we're sprucing things up, it could mean rearranging furniture, adding some decorations, or even just cleaning. It's all about refreshing an environment or appearance to make it more appealing. 1. Home and office. Imagine you're expecting guests or an important meeting is scheduled. You might spruce up your living room or office by cleaning, organizing, and adding a few new decorations to make the space more inviting. 2. Personal appearance. Before a job interview or a special date, you might spruce up by choosing a nice outfit, fixing your hair, or wearing a bit of makeup to make a good impression. 3. Events and occasions. For special events, like a birthday party or a holiday celebration, sprucing things up could involve decorating the venue with balloons, streamers, or lights to create a festive atmosphere. Sprucing things up is not just about improving appearances, it's also about how these improvements make us and others feel. A well-arranged and tidy space can make people feel welcome and comfortable. On a personal level, taking the time to spruce up can boost your confidence and how others perceive you. It's a simple yet effective way to bring positive energy into our lives and environments. We hope this exploration of sprucing things up has illuminated how you can use this phrase to describe making improvements and refreshing spaces or appearances. Whether it's your home, office, or personal style, a little sprucing up can go a long way. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to helping you learn more English phrases and expressions in our future videos. Happy learning, and remember, sometimes all it takes to change your mood or outlook is a bit of sprucing up.